class 6. I hope you are doing great. So class, today is 15th of April 2021 and the day is Thursday. Fine. So in yesterday's lesson we studied about positive and negative numbers as well as positive and negative integers. Positive and negative numbers. So who will tell me about what are positive and negative numbers? क्या होते हैं जी पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव नंबर्स? यस वानिया? Very good. Those numbers in which whole numbers, decimals, fractions are involved, but there is a sign which is attached with these numbers is positive. So those numbers are called positive numbers. ऐसे numbers जिसमें whole numbers भी involved हों and fractions भी involved हों and decimals भी involved हों, but उनके साथ जो sign है वो क्या होना चाहिए? Positive. So those kinds of numbers are known as positive numbers. Fine. Now again we have negative numbers. What is negative numbers, Usman Babu? What are negative numbers? Very good. Negative numbers जो हैं उसमें हमारे पास whole numbers भी involve होते हैं, fractions भी involve होते हैं and decimals भी involve होते हैं. Okay? whole numbers में whole numbers भी involve होते हैं, fractions भी and decimals भी involve होते हैं. But changing कहाँ पे आती है हमारे पास? sign में. Fine? कहाँ पे changing आती है? sign में. So when there is negative sign attached with these kinds of numbers, we can say these are negative numbers. Is it clear, class? Okay. Now who will tell me about the difference between positive and negative integers? What are positive and negative integers? Yes, Eamon? Very good. Those numbers which are greater than 0 are known as positive numbers. Sorry, positive integers. Clear है सबको? 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Equal to and greater than 0 are known as positive integers. Fine? Very good. Now the next is negative integers. Yes, Hasib, you tell me what are negative integers? Very good. Those numbers which are less than 0 known as negative integers. Okay? ये क्लियर है सबको? -1, -2, -3 up to so on are known as negative integers integers. Fine. And this is the way to represent numbers on a number line. Fine. Okay, who will tell me about what is zero? जीरो जो है वो किस में जाता है, पॉजिटिव में जाता है या नेगेटिव इंटीजर में जाता है? Yes, Zakwan, you tell me. Very good. Zero is neither a positive nor a negative number. Fine. Now, I am going to solve question number 4. Exercise number 2A. Use a number line to illustrate each of the following. Okay, फर्स्ट पार्ट है मेरे पास 2 1/2 कोमा 2 2/5 कोमा 0 कोमा -4 कोमा 6 -2.8. I have first number which is 2 2/5. What kind of number is class? ये क्या है, फ्रैक्शन है या डेसिमल है? Very good. This is a mixed fraction. Whole number, negative number, sorry, negative integer, positive integer and negative number. So first of all we will convert all of the numbers into one form. अब देखो ये हमारे पास क्या है, नेगेटिव इंटीजर है, ये पॉजिटिव है, बट ये क्या है, डेसिमल है और ये फ्रैक्शन है. सो हम फर्स्ट जो स्टेप है वो क्या है, वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट ऑल द नंबर्स इनटू वन फॉर्म. डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं बिकॉज इट इज इजी. 5 into 2 is 10 and 10 plus 2 is 12/5. So 12/5 को solve कर लेते हैं because we want this number into decimal form. 12, I will take 12 inside the division and 5 as outside the division because it is the rule when we will divide numbers. So we will take which is on numerator we will take as divisor. ठीक है, और जो डिनोमिनेटर में होते हैं वो क्या होता है, डिवाइजर होता है, और जो न्यूमिनेटर पे होता है वो क्या होता है, डिविडेंड. नाउ 5 2 times 10, 5 3 times 15 which is greater than 12, so I will take 5 2 times 10. Now we will subtract because it is the rule of division. 2 minus 0 is 2. Now I will take point in the quotient, and on the basis of this point we have 0 in the remainder, and I have 2-digit number which is 20 because I want to write 12/5 in decimal form, perfect decimal form. So that's why I will take point in the quotient. Now 5 4 times 20. 5 4 times 20. So my answer is 2 2/5 is 2.4. 0 as it is, -4 को you can write -4 as 4.0. 6 को आप कैसे राइट कर सकते हो, 6.0 and -2.8 as it is. Fine. Now the next step is to illustrate into number line. अब क्या करेंगे हम लोग, इसको नंबर लाइन पे रिप्रेजेंट करने. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल मेक a line and 0 is at the mid of this line which represents 0. Now I will take numbers on right side and left side well, because I have to put this numbers on a number line. So I will take a gap of 1.0, then 1 point, then 2.0, then 3.0, then 4.0. Likewise 1 का गैप लिया मैंने, -1.0, -2.0, -3.0 and -4.0. Fine. Now the first number is, but these are the markings, okay, but the small markings are 10 in total. Means 0 to 1.0 we have 10 smaller lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. 0 to 1.0 is 10 lines. Likewise 10 lines which indicates 0, and this smaller line is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 9 and then 1.0. Likewise 1 to 2 का जब हम डिफरेंस में देखेंगे तो 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9 and 2. अच्छा जी, according to this, back to the statement, we have first number which is 2.4. So 2.4. This is 2. This marked as 2.0 now. 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 and 2.4. So 2.4 यहाँ पे करके place होगा. I will write 2.4. ठीक है? I will mark as 2.4. Now next number which is 0. So ये 0 क्या होगा? Mark होगा. Next is -4.0. -4.0. 4.0 decimal number है, but उसके साथ अगर if you look class, there is a negative sign, so it means less than 0 होगा, left side पे होगा. So 4 यहाँ -4.0, exact -4.0 like this. Clear हो गया सबको? Next 6.0. हम क्या करेंगे? नंबर लाइन को इंक्रीज कर लेंगे, which is 5.0 and 6.0. So 6.0 is at this place. Fine. Now the next number is -2.8. -2.8. So 2.8 is lying between 2.0 and 3.0, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 and 3.0. But all numbers are in negative because these are less than 0. So यहाँ पे करके होगा कहीं -2.8. So this is how we can illustrate numbers into number line. ये हो गया सबको क्लियर कि हमने कैसे जो है नंबर्स को नंबर लाइन के ऊपर रिप्रेजेंट करना है. फाइन. नाउ लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जांपल व्हिच इज B part. -0.55. 4 -1/10. 2 and -2. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers in total. Some are in decimal, some are whole, some are in fraction. So it is not easy to write these kind of numbers on a number line, to represent these kinds of numbers on number line. So first of all we will convert into 1 unit. हम क्या करते हैं, हम इसको डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं. दिस इज इन डेसिमल फॉर्म. So 4 can be written as 4.0. Okay, then we have to find 4. Decimal of 4 we can write 4.0. Fine. Now 1.1 by 10. This is fraction. So first of all we will convert into decimal. So numerator क्या है 1 and denominator is 10. I will put point in the question and on the basis of this I have 0 in the dividend. Now 10 1 times 10. I got minus 0.1 from this. Fine. Next is 2. So 2 can also be written as 2.0. Then minus 2.0. This is how we can convert numbers into decimal numbers. Now it's time to represent number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And on left side I have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Now the first value which is, these are the main markings, but as you know class, in between 0 to 1 we have 10 smaller lines which represents 0 to 1 in 0 to 1 is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 up to so on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Fine. So first number is minus 0.5. 55 which is equal to 0.6. 0.55. तो हम इसको राउंड ऑफ करके 0.6 कह सकते हैं. Very good. But with 0.6. So इधर होगा माइनस के साथ है. So यहाँ इस वाली साइड पे हम लेफ्ट साइड होगा because it is less than 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. यहाँ पे here it is minus 0.55. Fine. The next value which is 4.0. 4.0. 4 is at 4.0, 2.0, 1.0. Likewise minus 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0 and 5.0. Okay. अब इधर देखो 4.0. So I will mark as exactly as it is. Next is minus 0.1. 0.1 minus 0.1 means less than 0 which is minus 0.1. Fine. Next number is 2.0 with positive sign. Exact 2.0. This is 2.0 because it is greater than 0. Now minus 2.0. Minus 2.0. It means on left side. So this is minus 2.0. Clear हो गया सबको how we can represent numbers into number line? Is it clear class? First of all, if we have different kinds of numbers, if we have some are whole numbers, some are decimal numbers, some are fractions. So first we have to convert into one unit and then we can illustrate each number into number line. Okay? When we have convert, then it is easy to illustrate each number in number line. Fine. So this is all class. If you find any difficulty related to this concept, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Happy learning.